BMW M cars are immediately recognizable, their aggressive lines and muscular stance hinting at the power that lies beneath the surface. The design is not merely aesthetic, it's functional. Every curve, every vent, and every spoiler is carefully sculpted to optimize aerodynamics, enhancing stability at high speeds and improving downforce. Inside the cabin, the focus shifts to a driver-centric experience. Supportive sport seats, a thick-rimmed steering wheel, and M-specific instrumentation create a cockpit-like environment that puts the driver in complete control. High-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident throughout, blending luxury with performance in perfect harmony. M icons, legends of the Autobahn and beyond. Over the decades, the BMW M series has produced a string of iconic models, each leaving its indelible mark on automotive history. The BMW M3, first introduced in 1986, quickly became the benchmark for compact sports sedans, its potent engine and nimble handling setting a new standard for the segment. The larger M5, introduced in 1988, brought supercar-level performance to the executive sedan segment. More recently, BMW M has expanded its lineup to include high-performance SUVs like the X5M and X6M, proving that exhilarating performance can be found in a variety of body styles.